Today we're going to be changing out the headlight on our 2013 Jeep Grand Cherokee. As you can see, it's busted right here. And the tools you'll need for this job is a socket, ratchet, and extension, which is 10 millimeters, flathead screwdriver, and a pry tool. Okay. But before we get started, please subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. And let's get started. First thing you want to do is turn your wheel in so you can have access to what on most people are some clips. There's one here. Ours is missing this one and this one. So you have to take the clips out, and then there's also a 10 millimeter right here. Get the head off. There we go. So the head pops out, and then you can come back in and get the body out. And don't forget to do these two, all right? So we're gonna come over here to this 10 millimeter and try to take it off. This panel has to come out too, because right here there's another 10 millimeter that holds the light in. So just pop that up, pop that up. There's a little slot here you can put your screwdriver under. Pull that out. One more right here. It just came out pretty easily. There we go. Now you have access to this panel, which is just like this. Okay, because we're gonna have to undo this one right here. Before we can do that, down underneath your vehicle, there are 4 clips, one right here, here, and 2 twist screws, one here and one over here, right here. Come here and just twist it, and you can pull it out. It's kind of a big boy like that. Now, if you break one of these clips, we'll put a link in our description so you can buy some more on Amazon, or you can go to AutoZone. Big old bastard. Okay. All right, now they're all done, so that releases it from the bottom of the Jeep. Now we're gonna do the same thing on the driver's side. Just gonna pry that up a little bit. Get my pry tool. This one's already missing. Come on your driver's side, turn your wheel in. Now, again, ours are missing the clips that should be here, which helps me, but you'll probably have those too. And then there's one more up here. All right. 10 millimeter in here. So you can pry off the side now, like this. It just pops right out. And that's all you need to do for this side. There's clips in here. See this right here? It's gonna get hung up on that. So you need to pull down and pull it out. And now you can pull the bumper out. Right here where this 10 millimeter was, see how it's hung in there? Just pop it over that, and now you can pull your grip out. All right. Okay, great. Now, and these are all clips that clip in right here. So now a bumper is loose. We just need to slide it off. Slide it down like this. Now, come over here. We want to take it off. There's a clip, unclip that one. Right here, see this? Push down on that, okay? Now our bumper's free. You have a 10 millimeter that's holding your grill on. Let's take that out. Okay, come on over to the other side and let's take this one out. We've removed this one and this one. Oh yeah. Lift our grill right off. I'm gonna get in here with my 10mm. So now, slide her out. So you have to disconnect a lot of these lights that are in here. This is the, okay. And over here, I'm just gonna twist this one out. It's pretty easy. There's a clip on the bottom here. So you gotta pull that tab out. Okay. Now we have our... To remove your HID headlight, twist this little knob right here, and that unlocks it. And you can pull it right out. And then here you have a pin right here and a pin right there. Just press up on the pin, and that unlocks that side, and then press up on this pin, and then you can easily get it out. To put it back in, just, or your new one, just click it in. There's a clip in there, and then that'll fit in like that, and twist. We bought our replacement lens, which looks pretty good, off eBay. Okay, that one's in. And the brown one goes right here. There we go. Okay. Okay. That goes right there, like that. This one. To attach your lights. Okay. So these go above. They go above like that. Okay. Oh, she's working good. Hear that snap? That's good. It goes over the hole there. All right, you see the hole. There we go. All right, now you can see that coming out. Now you know it's lined up. Nice tight fit. All right, you see the hole right there? Good. Good, good, good. That goes on the inside. Let's put our screw in. Okay. So. There we go. Snap that back in. There we go. It goes right here. goes in and twists very easily. Straight and then twist. Okay. I'll find the lid later. I shot it all across the garage floor. And that's how you change out your headlights with your 2013 Jeep Grand Cherokee. If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.